In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically create Google Sheets using AI. This is a simple workflow that can save you a lot of time, especially if you regularly build trackers, organize data, or need help analyzing information inside a spreadsheet. Instead of manually setting up rows, columns, and formulas from scratch, you can let AI handle the first draft and then continue working directly inside Google Sheets. To get started, open the Gemini web app. Once you are there, type a clear prompt describing the kind of spreadsheet you want to create. For example, you could ask it to create a monthly project tracker table with columns for task, owner, due date, and status. The more specific your request is, the more useful the result will be. If needed, you can phrase your prompt in a natural way, just like you are asking an assistant to build the structure for you. This works especially well for planners, trackers, lists, and other structured tables. After you send the prompt, Gemini will generate a preview of the table. Take a moment to review it before moving on. This preview helps you confirm that the layout matches what you need and that the columns are organized correctly. If everything looks good, click the Export button. This will open the result immediately as a new Google Sheet, which means you can go straight from idea to editable spreadsheet in just a few clicks. That's what makes this process so efficient. You are skipping the repetitive setup work and jumping directly into the sheet itself. Once you are inside Google Sheets, you can take things even further by using the native AI formula. In a cell, enter a formula like "Fai summarize this text." A 2. This allows Google Sheets to use AI directly within your spreadsheet to process content from other cells. For example, you can summarize notes, generate short descriptions, classify text, or analyze data patterns depending on your use case. It's especially helpful when you are working with larger datasets and want to automate repetitive text-based tasks across many rows. As you use this feature, make sure your prompts are clear and purposeful so the output stays consistent across your sheet. A little prompt refinement can make a big difference in the quality of the results. That's the full process for automatically creating Google Sheets using AI. From generating the initial table in Gemini to expanding your workflow with the = AI open bracket closed bracket function inside the sheet. Thanks for watching.